Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So I'm about to make Sunday's dinner. I'm going to make salmon, potatoes, and spinach. So let's get started. Alright, so I have some red skin potatoes here. All I'm going to do is, excuse the green, I was using it to chop some jalapenos just a minute ago. You're going to slice right down the middle and then slice in three. Just like this. We're going to season these up pretty simply but super flavor effectively. There we go. Alright guys, so to season these up, you're going to start with your fat. I have some bacon fat from making breakfast earlier this morning, so that's what I'm going to use. Use olive oil, coconut oil, butter, whatever suits your taste. You're going to take your lemon zest. I'm going to zest 2 lemons down in here. You want a whole lot of lemon. Potatoes can take a lot of seasoning, so don't be shy with it. So I'm going to zest up both my lemons and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got all my zest down on here and I added a whole lot of fresh thyme. Make sure you preheat your oven to 400 degrees because we're going to roast these off for about 20-25 minutes until they're nice and tender. Then to this you're going to also add pepper. You can use cayenne or red pepper flakes. You're also going to add salt. Remember, these are potatoes. You need to add salt. Mix this up really well. Get them nice and lovely. Pop them in the oven and they'll be nice and good to go. Alright you guys, so this is my whole salmon fillet right here. I'm just going to make, I don't even know, 4-ounce slices out of these. Alright y'all, now we're on to the salmon. First we're going to season this up. I'm using this, I love this stuff. I'm addicted to this stuff. It's good. It's the cracked peppercorn spice. Season your salmon. You don't need too much because we are going to put a slight glaze on these. So you don't need too much going on here. But you do need to season it on all sides. I can't put my hand back down in there. Cross-contamination. Season all sides. Alright guys, so once I season all sides, I already sliced this one up, so I'm going to slice this one so you guys can see. Let me make sure I'm in focus. You're going to do this. This is what you're going to do. We're going to make 4 slits. I know y'all tired of me using that word. Well, 3 slits. This one can take 3. This one took 4 because it's wider. We're going to have, it's going to have like that Hasselback effect. And you're going to take a lemon moon. Just slice your lemons up. And you're going to stick it right down in there. Just like that. You're going to stick it. You might need 2 hands. Stick it right down. I need to slice this some more. You're going to stick it right down in there. This is going to add a beautiful presentation as well as more flavor down into your fish. See? Look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Put your half moons. Alright you guys, so for the sauce that's going to go over the salmon, remember to preheat your oven. It should be already preheated if you're going by my recipe making that potato. I'm going to use this Private Selection Gochujang Chili Culinary Hot Sauce. This is what I'm going to use. So you want to put maybe a 1/3 cup down in your bowl. To this you're going to add a couple tablespoons of soy. I'm using lower sodium soy. Then you're going to go in here with the same amount of honey. A couple tablespoons of that. You're going to mix this up and we're going to brush it over the salmon and then pop it in the oven. Alright, so now you're going to take your sauce and go right over your salmon just like this. The salmon, the lemon, everybody. You're going to go right over it. And that's pretty much it. The pieces of lemon that you see in the pan is the ones that we zested for the potatoes. I didn't want to waste them, so I put them down into the pan to create more flavor. Also, I sprayed my pan with non-stick spray before I put my salmon down in here. It's not in a dry pan. Alright guys, so in this pot right here, I have butter, garlic, and golden raisins. I'm going to cook up some spinach. So I have about 5 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of butter, and like 2 tablespoons of golden raisins, which is optional. You don't have to add it, but I've made this recipe before and we like it. The people who made it from my channel liked it, so I'm making it again. Alright, so now I'm going to start adding my spinach. It looks like a lot, but y'all already know spinach cooks down quite a bit. I could go through like bags and bags of these in like 2 days. I love spinach. Now you see this big old pot of spinach, it's going to cook down to nothing. Luckily, it's just for 2 people. So then you're going to add, remember the lemon, the other lemon that I zested for the potato. You're going to add the juice. Ooh, let me get this seed off of here. Ooh, get out. Then you're going to add some salt, a tiny bit of salt. I don't like my greens too seasoned. And some pepper. This is not collard greens, you know, so you don't need all that seasoning. Cover it and let it cook down. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Look at this salmon. Look how beautiful this salmon is. And of course the sauteed spinach and your lemony potatoes over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'm about to let Sugar Plum taste this real quick. I don't know about fitting the potato on here, but let them know how to. It's too hot? Okay. I was hoping it would cool off by now.
It's good.
It's good?
Oh yeah.
You want it? I'll catch you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys.